All are doing great, and it's been an immense pleasure having all of you again on the Higher Education Commission television web channel. And it's been an immense pleasure for me as well, presenting again on one of the key milestones we have achieved during our education transformation agreement with the Higher Education Commission Pakistan. Dear audience, first of all, I would like to take a moment to thank you so much for all the efforts that the Higher Education Commission EDU TV team has done for us. In order to curtail the gap between academia and industry, HEC EDU TV has played a pivotal role. Just to give you a recap, Higher Education Commission Pakistan is one of the largest customers of Microsoft Pakistan in the verticals of education. When we call Higher Education Commission a customer, it's not a single customer. Rather, it's actually the 259 plus universities umbrella which lie under Higher Education Commission Pakistan. This makes Higher Education Commission Pakistan even one of the largest customers of our wider region, which is Central and Eastern Europe, Middle East and Africa. With Higher Education Commission Pakistan, Microsoft has been uplifting this agreement known as ETA, Education Transformation Agreement, which will soon be going to enter in its 15th year. And we have been actually transforming how higher education has been for the youth of Pakistan. So, in today's session, I'm thrilled to announce that Microsoft has deployed a Kivuto web store for Higher Education Commission Pakistan. So what exactly is this milestone? I'll be elaborating more on it and how you can benefit out of it. Actually, there are student-used benefits as per our agreement with Higher Education Commission Pakistan. And as a first ignition or a pulse to this student-used benefits, today we are unveiling this Kivuto web store for Higher Education Commission Pakistan. Just to give you a glance of what exactly the Kivuto web store is, actually, Kivuto is our global partner based out in Canada, and it's actually our partner of deployment for Higher Education Commission Pakistan and our wider EDU markets. So, today we have actually got this amazing moment to actually drive and thrive this Kivuto web store to all of your communities, to all of your universities, to all of your communities across as well. So all the listeners who are listening or viewing us, it's a request to my dear audience to please propagate this milestone and this feature of Higher Education Commission Pakistan powered by Microsoft to your university students body as well. Because nevertheless, the people and the student are really in search of genuine Microsoft software. With this collaboration, we are going to actually have a breakthrough in the operating systems vertical with the Windows 11, or most probably by Windows 10. You can actually download the education versions, which are you can download the media as well as the key of that product as well. So yeah, in the later part of the session, I'll also be going to elaborate on how you can actually I'll be having a complete rundown of the portal, that how as a student you can get started with all the benefits. So without ado, let's actually get started and let me actually share my screen with you all. I hope my screen is truly visible to all of you. Okay, so the first things first, we access this portal by going to hecpk.onthehub.com. So whenever we actually log into it will pop up this portal for us. On the above, when you first come across the portal, it will say a privacy policy notice. You can actually get accepted with that, and that's still all okay. As a first glance, you will be seeing that like even from the domain, it says like it's AGC Pakistan. And again, then we have the deployment domain of our global partner based out in Canada. Here is actually Higher Education Commission Pakistan's logo and the branding itself. And then we have this actually a sort of like product search where you can actually search for your requested or desired products. The main division out there is actually the portal is divided into two main aspects. The first one is the students used benefits, and the second one actually is the faculty and staff. So this portal is not only actually limited to the students out there, but actually it's likely useful to our esteemed faculty as well as our IT admin staff as well. So they can actually utilize the portal as well. Let us actually get back to our students portal. And here are actually below the main navigation bar, we have actually approximately like 6 or 7 so like it's 7 different categories out of which we can actually get started with it. So giving you a first glance of what all these different tabs are. In the first tab, it's actually it has listed all the most popular software categories from Microsoft, from the partners ecosystem, from other technology giants like IBM, and some of the key industry productivity softwares like NordVPN, etc. So this tab actually has all the available things which you want actually. It has Windows 10. One of the most important tool which you all actually have been using for is like for stats, it's actually SPSS. It has versions of SPSS included into it. Then actually we have the referencing tool of all time and Note with Us. Then in the VPN category, we have NordVPN, PDF Studio, and other benefits. Moving towards actually the productivity tab, here we have actually again a curated list of all the benefits which are included into it. But yeah, let me actually brief out of it as well, that most of these benefits are from partner ecosystem, and they are actually like on a very I would rather say that they are on a very heavy discount. So you can actually get a fullest genuine software out of a very little price you are paying, just because of the agreement of Higher Education Commission Pakistan with Microsoft. Again, in the data analysis tab, which if I go and move forward, it has actually all those tools that you must need during your academic journey, and it has all of those important software with you. Again, security plays a very pivotal role in our today's technological realm. So for that, we have included some of the key players in security domain or security vertical, like NordVPN and the Foresight ecosystem to all of our students. Again, password management has been a hiccup for maybe a decade or so. So we have been included like this sticky password premium for you as well. When we actually move towards photo, video, and design tab, it is again today there are even a lot of digital tools out there. One of the most prominent are Bing Image Creator and the Chat GPT as well. So all of these I'm thrilled to nominate Microsoft Designer as well, because we live in this artificial intelligence realm, and in today's artificial intelligence era, we have to actually get use of get utilized of all these artificial intelligence based tools. So in photo, video and design category, you have actually all the family of Movavi. It includes screen recorder, video suite, and all the other benefits that comes with Movavi suite. Then we have actually another family which is very like beneficial, as well as like I would highly say like their standardized licenses are very like expensive for a student developer. So like we have included Wondershare family of products like PDF Element, AdDraw, and Video Master as well. So you can actually get a lot of benefits out of this family. Again, Cyberlink, you all are very much familiar with it. And again, like this store is actually designed to have you like get started with the genuine software regardless of the platform you are using. So it will definitely run on your Windows machine. Maybe you are using any of the Linux distros, or maybe you are an avid user of Macintosh. It will actually likely help you accelerate your journey of using a genuine software. Then again, the family of Nero product suite is also included, which is actually one of the best software category like I have ever gone through. Then if you move towards the training portal, uh, again you see like this tab includes all those certification or training lab materials which you can easily access, and on top of it you can actually learn, and then you can actually get your skills certified on top of all these skills. It has if I can actually shout out for a couple of resources here is like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, which is actually your go-to bundle when it comes to like branding or marketing. You all might have like your Microsoft Student Ambassador clubs at your universities, as well as like other coding clubs or like computing clubs at your university. So you all must be needing these genuine softwares out of it, and these are all the resources which you can actually go through and get your skills justified. Then the last step says like browse by publisher, as I've been like explicitly going through each and every publisher, but this is how like in an alphabetically order they have actually ordered the all the publishers out there. It has actually like starting from Screen Grabber to EndNote to Active Presenter, and like all the Movavi family. Then we have the family of IBM Suitcase, like the IBM SPSS and other data softwares. Then we have actually like each and every publisher I have actually mentioned is actually you can go through all these publishers. But again, here's a sort of disclaimer for it, like most of these solutions are actually they come from our partner ecosystem, and they are not truly freely available, but they are at a heavy discount. So as compared to their standardized licensing prices. So let's actually come towards our main product for today's session, which is actually Windows 10. We have actually requested the Kivuto team in order to actually revamp this product with the Windows 11 education. So hopefully whenever coming soon you will be actually going to explore this portal, you'll be having a Windows 11 here rather than Windows 10. But again, having a genuine software is not that much sort of like an issue for us. So whenever you go to a single product like Windows 10, I have just have gone into the page of Windows 10. It says like here is the description of Windows 10, that how like you can be able to use it and for which of the platforms. Then it has like the tab of system requirements, and then are you eligible for that. So in this tab it says like as I'm not like completely signed into it, so it says like first of all I have to sign in with an eligible, so I should be like from an eligible university or higher education institute in order to get all those benefits. I'm going to have a rundown of how you can actually sign up and sign in, and then you can download all these materials. So for that, actually, let us move forward and click on this registration tab. When you click on this registration tab, it will actually redirect you to a page which says like verify your email address. As the disclaimer says, like only the students and faculty of participating schools are eligible to place orders on this web store. The quickest way to verify your academic status is to enter your school issued email address below. So actually, likewise, there are this field says like organization issued email address, but you can actually right away mention your university issued by Higher Education Commission, which is actually .edu, .pk ending domains of your emails. This is actually your official edu.pk emails. So let us actually move forward with our test email. It's actually from UET Peshawar. So let us actually drop it. Okay, so I've entered this test email, which says 18 PWCSE 1632 at uitpeshawar.edu.pk. So your university or your higher education institute may differ, but this edu.pk will be consistent there. So whenever we click on continue, let's see. Okay, so for now it has actually given me and introduced me to a whole set of an account registration page. So I'll be going to mention my first and last names, and then there will be email. We will act as your username. We will use it to sign into your web store. So no worries at all. We can have a password here. For now, I'll be just using a simple one for demonstration purposes. Then I believe as you all know that this benefit has actually come across to you people just because of Higher Education Commission Pakistan, so it's blurred out and grayed out because our organization is Higher Education Commission, and organization issued email address is also grayed out, which the data has flown from that field to this. Then group of which member you are. So it says like either you are a student, either a faculty or a staff. So for most of you, we are going to have this rundown a pre-assumption that you folks are students. You will be liable for the full price of any products you have ordered if you are unable to supply proof of your eligibility upon request. So again, it's a sort of promotional approval out there that you can receive email communication from on the hub powered by Kivuto solutions, including information about promotions and new releases. You can unsubscribe at any time. So for now, let us actually take this, and again just completing this registration process. It's like self-explanatory process in a very simple manner. We are just going to register it, and here you go. It says thank you for registering, and your account is currently pending verification. Some orders may be placed on hold. This verification is complete until this verification is complete. So for details, you go to your eligibility. So I'll go to my eligibility here. Okay, so and now it says you are a member of requested eligible organization. My status till now is unverified. because like Kivuto has sent an automated email to my email address with the subject email address confirmation. So let me actually switch to my email and let us actually. Okay, so here we go. Like a minute ago, it has sent me an email saying like this is an automated message and please do not reply, as most of us say. And again, this much HEC's branding, and they truly deserve this because this benefit has been come across to all of you just because of Higher Education Commission and the efforts of Education Transformation Agreement. Okay, so this is actually the link. You just have to actually click it and let it process. So you see, like now, if I go here and I'll be going to, okay. So you see, like now, my status from unverified has been shifted from unverified to verified. So this is how like the registration process will come along, and then let me actually give you a complete rundown of how the portal will look like once you'll be having your account with you. So for that, let me actually refresh it one more time so it comes to its default or normal values. This is actually our home page, and then this is the help tab from where you can actually a request or like reach out to us, the Microsoft team, as well as to our partner Kivuto's team. This is actually a list of FAQs, and here you can contact with them, send us an email, as they are based out in Canada, so there will be like some of the issues with the time zone, but anyhow, and this is actually like it's in English, and the pricing is in USD. I'll go to my account. You see, like it says with my account, and it has a cart icon to the right of my name as well. When I go to my orders, this is actually a new user interface just has been created because I am signed it now. For now, I don't have any orders or downloads because I haven't placed any order. When I go to my subscriptions, it says like I don't have any subscription at the moment, and the account information is like this is my name and this is email address and this is the promotional emails approval. Then again, eligibility, it says like you are a member of the following group, like your organization is Higher Education Commission, your group is like students, and verification method organization issued email address, which is very like sort of like a simple process. Again, like you can change your passwords and do all the things regarding your profile. First of all, let me actually go. And as I've actually mentioned earlier to you folks, that as soon as you're going to like download the product, it will eventually become like, you see, now I have like two options on Windows. Let us actually browse by publisher, and by publisher I'll be, or the best thing is like you can just, in order to like search for Windows, again like they do have a lot of different benefits, so we'll actually do a simpler task and go towards like Windows 11. Once we go to Windows 11, it's actually multi-language, multilingual, and like again when we go to this, like it's Windows 11 education is only available for education customers, and then it has the system requirements you can get along with this Windows 11 device specifications. I'll just like open this as well just to give you a glance. This is actually on the official Microsoft's licensing and computer requirements page. So we just go back to our Kivuto screen, and here you are actually earlier when I was like scrolling to this tab, are you eligible, it was not like giving me an option of eligibility, but now you see like I have passed their criteria and I'm now like a member of the students group. then actually you are limited to ordering any of the one of the following products. So these are actually the product keys, and let me actually go and add to cart. Okay, so for now it says like Microsoft Windows 11 education multi-language, quantity is 1 and the price is free. Also, like as an upsell offer, it's offering me that, hey Raja, like people are also buying different products as well, so you can also like upsell them. So yeah, I am not like going that much like interested into these products, so I'm going to just check it out. It's like similar to all those e-commerce applications out there. So you see like here is the agreement number, which is actually our agreement, Microsoft's agreement with Higher Education Commission. And like this is the product, and it's like disclaimers, as well as like you say like for now it says username, which is like I would say Raja Ahmed, and signature I'll be typing my name. So I believe like I have to type my uh, email address here. Okay, and I'm going to accept this offer. Okay, so it's free. Like I'm just going to complete this form, which says like I have a subtotal of free and a total of free as well, and Microsoft Office Windows 11 Education download product key. Just go and continue with this, and let's actually wait. Okay, so here we go. So for now, it says like your order has been placed and a confirmation email will be sent to you shortly. An invoice you can print here is available. Detailed information about the order can be there. So if you are like that much interested in generating sort of like invoice, you can do that as well. Here is like you can, this is actually your invoice, your email, your order, and all those like which of the benefits you have actually got. So you can actually maybe print that or so, because if any of your universities ask for it. Anyhow, let's actually get back to where we were. Okay, so now it says like this is your Microsoft Windows 11 education download product key. This is my product key. Uh, and like download Microsoft 11 education multi-language. So it says like if you are like going to download Windows 10 out of this store, it will definitely actually have a copy of that. But moving forward, like on Windows 11, Microsoft has like the ISO image for all of the education users on their website, and when I go and click Microsoft Windows 11 software download site, and it redirects me to the main Microsoft Windows sort of main site. So you can actually like most of the people out there, we use actually our USB drives in order to like boot our operating systems of Windows 11. So we can actually select this, and then we can easily like download this disk image. After the disk image is created, there's a very wonderful tool I'm just going to let you know. It's called we call it as like Rufus. You can just like mention this, and Rufus is actually a bootable USB cleaner. It will help you actually boot your USB, your Windows onto your USB, and you can actually then make like a benefit out of it. And this is how like you can just download the media and convert that media into a bootable USB for installing different Windows operating systems, and from this you can actually get your product key out there, and you're good to go. For those people who don't know like where to put this, okay, so for those who don't actually have an idea of how to like you can put this, what I would say. So you can actually, let me actually go to my, okay, so this is actually the PC, and here you go to your properties, or maybe you can directly go with the Windows as well. So for now it says like, as this is my PC and it's on Windows 11 Enterprise, you can actually just go and have this in advanced setting like product key and activation. For now, my activation state is active. But if you have a sort of like change the product key, you can change the product key and enter this via your Kivuto number. So this is how simple it is. So I believe like it clears all. After that, once you have actually got your order, we just go back to the home page. And for now, similar is the process for Windows 10 as well. When I go back to my account, your account and orders, now it has a history of accounts that, hey, you have actually this Microsoft Windows 11 education download and product key. So you can view your invoice or view your details as actually mentioned above. So we just go back to this home. So I hope like this was a pretty much good thing for all of you, that how you can be able to download Microsoft Windows out of it. For now, let me actually give you a simple sort of a demo on how you can actually get a discounted offer from our partners like IBM. So you just click on this IBM SPSS stats. It's 29 GLAD packs, and I'll be going to. Okay, so you see like the commercial price of this is for a year is actually like around like eight grands, like 8,000 USD, which is like very much. But for like through this store, through this HEC's web store, you can actually easily get it in 100 USD. So it's very much like I would rather say it's heavily discounted on not only on this single product, but even EndNote is used in a variety of things when in your academic journey, be it thesis, your research, or any of the research papers. So you save up to 51%, up to 10%. So which is like quite a big deal for all of you, and it all become possible due to the catalyst collaboration between Higher Education Commission and Microsoft. So let us actually okay, so it's like redirecting me to here, giving you a feedback of how like what is this all this partner is about. So actually this partner Kivuto is actually a Canadian based enterprise, and they actually have a lot of other products as well. I'm just like they have their own Kivuto Cloud. TechCDM is actually end-to-end managed ebooks and distribution e-readers. Their solutions are actually schools and academic institutions, software vendors, and web publishers. They different have like different products as well. On the Hub is one of their different like this is on the Hub, Kivuto, and other of the benefits as well. So that's all from today's session, and I hope like you have got a pretty much got into insights of how you can actually download a free multimedia as well as a product of Windows 11. And yeah, we look forward to how you can utilize and harness the power of free and genuine operating systems from the education vertical. And we look forward to how you can create and showcase to the world. And again, for Imagine the participants, we all are very much eager to know about the results of the second submission. And for that, inshallah, we'll soon come again on EDU TV sessions and for your different sort of queries. So for now, again, I would like to pay our kudos to the EDU TV of Higher Education Commission for pulling off this great event. And yeah, thank you so much and stay blessed. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.